Apple-shaped hand pies. Get ready to fall in love with the ultimate autumn treat. Introducing easy freezable apple hand pies, flaky, buttery pastry pockets. Filled with tender apples and warm spices. These handheld delights are easy to make, freezer-friendly, up to 6 months, portable perfection. Let's make it. Bismillah. First, make an apple pie filling. 4 to 5 apples, sweet and tart mixed. Peeled, cored and chopped. Add chopped apples to wide cooking pan. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder. A pinch of nutmeg. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1½ tablespoon of cornstarch. 1/2 cup of brown sugar. 1/8 cup of water. 1/4 cup of butter. Mix well and cook on a medium heat until thickened. About 5 minutes. Let it cool down and set aside. Roll the pie crust dough or puff pastry dough about 1/4 inches thick. Cut into 3 inches round circles. Watch and follow the process carefully. Pie crust recipe link is in the description below. Filled with spoonful of apple pie filling. And follow the process. Pinch down the edges properly, otherwise pie filling will lose out during baking. Brush it with beaten egg. Note: you can also freeze these pies after brushing with egg for up to 6 months in airtight container, and bake them whenever you like in preheated oven on 375 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until turned golden. Bake time also depends on size of pastries. Sprinkle raw sugar on top, optional. Bake it in preheated oven on 375 Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes or until turned golden. Enjoy! If you like this recipe, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe for upcoming recipes. Thanks for watching.